Hey YouTube, welcome to my final part to box number 2, part 2 I guess, of my Hail Blizzard. I am in love with the pack designs. These are absolutely incredible. They are extremely well thought of and very cool. I love them. That's why I am cutting and not opening them. I attempted many times and I've learned from all the other people that have opened these that it's just not going to happen. So why bother trying? Ooh, nice Jigglypuff. Nice Arcanon Hollow. It's a great way to start. It's such an interesting Darmanitan since it's supposed to be a fire. At least I thought it was supposed to be a fire, but it is not. So I'm hoping to only open 9 and get my 10 hollows. But we'll see. See how my luck is. Petaloo. Litwick. Forgot his name. Then it's like a share ball, which is interesting. Hippopotamus. And that weird cool little buddy. Such a cool background. Darumaka. I think this is Vanillish or something. Not Vanillish. Yeah, Vanillish. Wigglytuff. Chandler. Awesome. This is actually one of the shinies. Not the actual card, but the one that looks pretty similar to it. Forgot what their names are. I'll actually go over them right after this real quick. Actually gonna go over you guys with the shinies. So there are 4 shinies in the sets. 2 in each set, I believe. Get to them real quick. We have Zoroark, Hydrogen, and then we have Emboar, and then a Chandler. So, the Chandler. And those ones are in this one. The Chandler and Emboar, I believe, are in this one. So, not bad. That's the 7th hollow, so that's pretty cool. Here's 8, awesome. Bronzor. Ralts. Oops. Ooh, nice. This one, awesome. Lucario. That's so cool. So this one might have a home already. Raichu? But we'll see. That's a badass Lucario. Put this one aside. Check my luck now. Had 2 hollows in a row. I think that one's not going to have the hollow. I'm already at 8 hollows for the box. So we'll see. Curlia. Growl. Vanillite. Double colorless. Be interesting to bring back double colorless. A Beartic. I have seen these trainers, but from what I can see though, it'll be interesting to see what's playable in this set and when the English version comes out. That's for sure. Ooh, nice. Got an ultra rare. Think it's a Groudon one. Pikachu. Sneasel. Ralds. Yep. Groudon EX. Very cool. I have this one, but Unpheasant. Will only trade it if someone has one that I do not have. Only from this set. Other than that, I'm keeping it because it's so cool. It's a great pull. Vanillite. Pidove. Bronzor. Vanillux. And then Hippopotamus, I think it is. Hippopotamus, I think. Oh no, Hippopowdon. God, I'm so dumb. That's okay though. So let's see. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep opening these. I've actually got 10 already, but seems like, who knows? Yeah. Tranquil, Growlithe, Unfezant, and Sawsbuck. So go ahead and open our last one. Just for the heck of it, even though I know there's nothing in here. Curlia, Deerling, Hippotas, Bronzong, very nice. And a Clement, I think it is, his name is. I think that was his name. So overall, another average box, not gonna complain. Actually, this wasn't average at all. This had a freaking awesome cards. So Zapdos, very cool. Vanillix, Bisharp, Gardevoir, another Vanillix, Lucario, freaking sweet card. A Chandler, which isn't that bad actually. Arcanine, Groudon EX, and then probably the best card I pulled out of all my boxes, the 4 that I have. It is a Groudon EX full art, which is wicked. That is so cool, man. That's awesome. So this card is around, when I looked, about 55 bucks. So not a bad pull. It's pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I will be ordering more of these. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of my boxes. I will be ordering more from hopefully first edition ones. Hopefully they'll be alive or be around when I end up ordering more. But next up, guys, should be some maybe pre-recorded videos and a teaser video, and then will be my massive booster box opening. So can't wait to do that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be getting a brand new camera, some extra stuff along with that, so that I can film full, HD. So it should be pretty cool. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. Spread the word about these videos, and thank you so much for watching.